The young engineers you're about to see worked in groups to design parachutes. When engineers analyze test results and synthesize data, they often need to use math to help make sense of their findings. They have just finished testing and gathering data about the rate at which their parachutes fell. Let's see how they use their knowledge of math, along with data from the whole class, to draw conclusions about their parachute designs.
Before you improve, let's share our data with one another. Did all of the parachutes fall the same way? No. Were some slower than others? Let's think about why. Let's try to think about why before you start to improve your parachute design. Okay? So, I want you to look at your data, and this is the two things I want you to think about. Number one, what is the average drop speed? So let's talk about the average drop speed. Does everybody understand what that actually means? How about this? Anybody understand what that means? Julia.
I think that's just telling you for how many feet you went per second.
Yes. How many feet in every second? Number two, the canopy diameter. If my radius was 7, what was my diameter? Doa? 14. And number 3, what was your team's suspension line length? I want to know this, the suspension line length. Got that? 3 things. Average drop speed, diameter of your canopy, and suspension line length. I'll give you 10 seconds to talk to your team and pick one person to share out with me. Team 1, average drop speed. 2.7. Ooh, is that good? Look at this. I thought that was good. That's better than that. All right, I want you to look at this. Can everybody see the data?
Yeah.
All right, look at it for 1 minute, and I want you to talk about, with your team, is there any connection or correlation between these two things and this? So look at it for a minute and then have a conversation at your group. Do you think there's any connection between them? Yeah. Would we agree that these two were the faster ones, that they need the most improvement? Okay, how can we compare these to the other ones? Anything you noticed? Noor.
I noticed that the people who had shorter suspension lines and bigger canopies had lower average drop speed.
Okay.